How do you customize the dates on your WordPress website? We'll talk about that next on the Genealogy Website Builders. Hi, I'm Ed Thompson, the host of the Genealogy Website Builders. In our recent WordPress for Genealogy bootcamp, one of our students asked, how can I get the date formatted in a way that's familiar to genealogists? And I want to show that portion of our bootcamp to you now.
Len wants to know about the date display, and I didn't know if you wanted to go ahead and get into customizing the date display. She would like it to use the genealogical standard with the date of the month and then the written month and then the year and a number.
I would say 16 June 2022.
The answer is yes. You would use this custom option, and I think it would be, let's see, J, Y. 16 June, oh, you want 2022, capital Y. There you go.
Oh, that'll do it?
Yes.
J space, capital F space, capital Y. I like that too.
What does the J stand for?
I think it's Julian day or day. I'm surprised because usually it's a D.
But it's better to type out the full month because then you have June and January disambiguated.
I understand the desire to just do the first three characters because you end up with a field that has a consistent width no matter what month it is. There is a way to do this. I'm going to click on documentation on date and time formatting. You can do days of the week, month. This is numeric. Here we go.
There it is.
Capital M. So you can do a capital M.
There just by clicking the link where it says
There's a link. There's a link right down
documentation
here. Not capitalizing it. I don't know how important that is to you. Let's see if is it.
Did you use a capital M?
Well, I mean,
I did. That's how I got the three letters.
Yeah, only the first letter of June.
Oh, right. Yeah. It's not all. It's not all caps.
Yeah, that's right.
And I inserted dashes between each of the elements.
A lowercase d, capital M, capital Y will give you the full year.
Capital Y will give you the full year by
A
itself.
capital M gives you the abbreviation, a capital Y gives you a 4-digit year, and a lowercase d gives you the day of the month.
Thank you. Very relevant question for a genealogy WordPress website. Thank you for watching the Genealogy Website Builders. And please remember to like and subscribe if you want to continue to see content just like this.